Hi class, I just want to go over the syllabus with you. So let's go ahead and look at that. We are in Math 326, which is problem solving for elementary students. You do not have to purchase a book. You only have to purchase a student access code for this course, which enables you to use Pearson MyLab Math. So make sure that you do that within the first week. So we are going to go over problem solving strategies and learn more about problem solving and manipulatives in class. So you need to make sure that you're participating on the first class day by logging in and completing assignments according to your syllabus and online schedule. We will be using Blackboard, Google Meet, and Pearson MyLab Mastering online software. So you must purchase the MyLab Math. The thing about MyLab Math is you can do a trial version if you do not have financial aid right away, or you're waiting to get the necessary funds to purchase it. So make sure that you go ahead and register on it and start your trial version so you can go ahead and get working on those assignments. Due dates will be on Blackboard. There's a unit calendar for each one of the units. Also, MyLab Mastering has those due dates as well. If you do not complete the assignment within that unit, there will be a 0 that will be put in. You are allowed to do late work after the due date, but there is a 25% penalty for being late. So make sure that you get those assignments done. So our student learning outcome deals with Polya's classic 4-step approach to problem solving: understanding the problem, devising a plan, carrying out the plan, and looking back. We will use the following problem solving strategies. Here's our EC to 6 teachers, your standards, so you can look through those. The evaluation and grading. So Pearson accounts for 40% of your total average. We have exams, which are 25%, and Pearson homework, which is 15%. So the exams also includes a final exam that counts as well with these other unit exams. And then weekly meetings and unit assignments counts for 60% of your grade. So the weekly meetings, you'll be placed in a group of 3 to 4 students. During week 1, you'll decide the day and time that you'll meet each week. So this, you can meet on Google Meet, and make sure that you invite me to all your meetings, and I may show up unannounced. And you will also share the recording of this meeting with me. And on the unit calendar, there's an activity that you will complete during each of your meetings. Your meetings will be 15 to 30 minutes long. There's a bell ringer for each one of those meetings, which includes 3 star released problems. I'm going to show you how to find those in another video. There is 1 week at the end of the unit that you can use as your makeup week, just in case something happened, you weren't able to meet during that week, you will meet. If you complete all your meetings during the unit, that extra week you do not have to meet if you've already completed all the unit meetings. Pearson, you will use Pearson's video lectures and the electronic textbook to learn the material that is on the assigned homework. That is your resource for learning the material. There'll be 3 exams that are taken at the end of each unit. Exams will cover homework and information from the chapters, and then a comprehensive final will also be given at the end of the semester. Your unit assignments include writing interview questions. You're going to interview a teacher about problem solving and manipulatives to learn more about what teachers actually go through to help their students learn how to problem solve. So you will only turn in the questions for Unit 1. Do not actually interview. I'm going to look over your questions and give you feedback before you actually ask the questions. So make sure that you turn in your questions before you actually interview. After each unit, You're going to write a reflection paper, 1.5 to 2 pages long, about what you learned during your units. Information from articles, videos, bell ringers, your practice texts, problem solving teaching, and you as a student going through the problem solving strategies, and your weekly meetings. During during unit 2, you will look to actually interview a teacher. And then during unit 3, you'll turn in your reflection. You'll turn in the questions and answers from your teacher that you interviewed, and also a reflection about what you learned. The rest of the stuff on the syllabus is pretty standard to any syllabus. Make sure you email me if you have any questions. We're supposed to use our university email accounts to communicate about coursework, drop policy, and that's about it. So let me know if you have any questions. Look back at the syllabus anytime you're going through and you're not sure. Go ahead and look at the syllabus. Y'all have a wonderful semester.